how to make new account on TikTok. It is a quite simple and straightforward process to able to make new account on TikTok. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface. Now from here what you have to do is, now over here if you have an account you can already log into that account, right? But you can see it says sign up. Now you can either sign up using a phone number. If you can use your phone number, that's perfectly fine. If you can't, do not worry, you can also continue with your Facebook or your Google account, or if you have an independent account you can tap on the continue with email option right here and make sure to just enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, you can tap on the continue button right there in order to go ahead and then log into your account. And just like that, once you enter the email address that you want to use, let's say, right, so if I have chosen a certain email address, I can tap on continue. I have to create a password for my TikTok account, after which I'll be asked to verify the email, and once I've done that, I will be able to finish making my account on TikTok. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.